So, Optare / Switch have just recently got rid of their Solo. We today are going to look at a preserved example, as you can see over there. We're going to go and get on it and we'll show you what it's like. Even though there's going to be none left produced, we're going to go and get on that and see exactly what it's like with one that's been restored. So there is the Optare Solo PX07 HBG 47485 ex-Stagecoach example, as you can see. Let's go and get on it now. So on our way to Buxton in the Peak District, we're held up by cows. Makes a difference from cyclists, it does. But that's usual. Cows, chickens in the middle of the road. They like to get in the way of us, don't they? But as you can see, we were straight back on our way. So we're just having a little bit of a breather with the Solo. What do you reckon to it then? Because I know what I think. This Solo is an absolute beauty. You see now it's performed along the Peak District, it just goes tremendously. All the work's been done by our good mate Tobi Dekker. A special mention to you for all of your hard work with this. So we're just giving it one last breather and then heading back. And as you can see, we have got there. We've got back with the Solo. I hope you've enjoyed this video. This video has been in the works since, I'd say, about December time, so a very, very long time. If you've enjoyed it, you know what to do. Leave us a like, subscribe, and let me know what other videos you'd like to see. As we come to the end of our MAN chapter of the E300's 22637, Y08 JGF has just been withdrawn. Now there is still 22560 Hawaiian 57 MYD at Barnsley and the two at Romarsh, but 22637 is officially the last one at Barnsley. We've done a full send-off for these with help from Stagecoach Yorkshire, but we haven't done a final video, the final one, the complete last one. Now something's coming very soon. Now I hope you've been watching these videos over the years, and if you have, I'll be having the last MAN in Yorkshire video out coming very soon as we close the chapter off completely. This will be helped by our good friends Andmore Central, who's helped us out with videos many times. Go and support the channel, go and support Andmore Central. And other than that, thank you again for watching. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos, and I hope you've enjoyed this one. Thank you very much. See you later.